With the 2021 season, the McLouis offering is enriched with a new range that combines the particularly competitive starting price with the appeal and the typical contents by McLouis, designed for those taking their first steps into the world of itinerant tourism. The new 200 series consists of 5 MC4 semi-motorhomes, also available with the option of the electrically operated folding bed, and as many Glamys overcabs. A complete range of the best equipment that stands out for high-profile construction technologies, trendy appeal, rational design of spaces, attention to stowage, and functionality of the environments. The MC4 low profiles are available in a wide range of sizes, from the compact MC4 231, just 5 meters and 99 centimeters, to the MC4 273 and MC4 281, which are 7 meters and 45 centimeters long. The offer of Glamys overcabs is also completed with 4 proposals of 6 meters and 99 centimeters in length and a model over 7 meters in size, all dedicated to meet the needs of the family and of numerous occupants. The choice is wide and meets the most diverse dinette and bed solutions. The Series 200 is built with technologies typical of high-end vehicles, which characterize all McLouis models. The body is wood-free. Walls and roof have an internal and external fiberglass coating and waterproof PS insulation. Peculiarities that also characterize the floor: 54 millimeters thick and equipped with a non-slip PVC lining. It is no coincidence that the 200 series is also offered with a 5-year guarantee against infiltrations. All models in the 200 series are equipped with a large, illuminated and heated maxi garage with a load capacity of up to 300 kilos for transporting scooters, bicycles, and bulky luggage. It is practical to use thanks to the 2 symmetrical doors, both as standard, with 180-degree opening, equipped with splash-proof and frost-proof rubber seals to resist humidity and colder temperatures. Each axis is equipped with a double lock for your security. Getting on, we are greeted by the XL living unit door, with an increased width of 60 centimeters and integrated deep tread step. The door is also equipped with a comfortable mosquito net. Interiors are characterized by natural colors from brown to beige and by chromatic contrast that result in a modern and elegant ambiance. The glossy laminates for the doors give a glamorous touch to spaces. Attention to detail is essential. The result is harmonious. The quilted imitation leather fabrics and panels match the elements and colors of the furnishings. The LED profiles and the lighting underneath the wall units create a pleasant play of light that enhances the interiors. And for the low-profile models, the panoramic roof is available as an option for a bright and pleasant living environment. The table, available in the folding versions in the face-to-face models, which can be moved or fixed in the models with double dinette, is in polished white laminate with a chrome edge. The exclusive upholstery for the 200 series in imitation leather with visible brown stitching features the McLouis logo on the large, unique headrest. In the living space, as in the rear area, privacy is guaranteed by modern Roman blinds. The very large hob allows optimal use of the space. There is no shortage of storage space. You can store dishes and crockery in generously sized wall units with chrome-plated handle for opening. The shelving unit is equipped with a double shelf to organize the stowage in a practical and functional way. At the bottom, a large drawer with internal cutlery tray, a lower door and a large side door with 2 large separate compartments. It is interesting to note the soft close system of the drawers that close gently and lock independently. The 142-liter refrigerator with its slim design is only 42 centimeters wide and has the advantage of offering a large volume in small dimensions. It is equipped with a separate 15-liter freezer and a practical external bottle drawer. The toilet is made of wood, equipped with a large mirror illuminated by spotlights, and a top with toothbrush holder and soap holder. There are numerous storage compartments to contain everything you need for your well-being, such as the wall unit and the door with a push-lock opening. Air and light are guaranteed by the presence of the window. Showering is a pleasure, both in the models with separate shower enclosure and in the toilets with integrated shower. Functionality and comfort. This is the essence of the 200 series rooms. Here, freedom of movement and space to sleep well are combined. The room is comfortable, bright, and well ventilated, thanks to the large windows and the skylight. There are spotlights on either side of the bed. All beds in the 200 series are equipped with slatted bases for comfortable rest. In addition, with a simple gesture, you have space for bulky objects. Comfort is the possibility to take with you everything you need for your holiday. For this reason, also the back area is equipped with small units and wardrobes to store clothes and accessories. A pleated curtain, as standard, separates the sleeping area from the living area for greater privacy. The MC4 low profiles and Glamys overcabs offer as standard an additional bed that can be easily obtained by converting the dinette. As an option for MC4 models, it is possible to have the electrically operated folding bed that descends onto the dinette. McLouis, just starring.